All right, I need your full attention for this. Honor just announced the Magic V5, and they're proudly shouting from the rooftops that it's the world's thinnest foldable phone. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it would be if it were true. But here's the thing, it's not even close. And today, I'm going to show you how you've been misled. Not with opinions, not with hype, but with cold, hard proof. Let's go. So Honor says their Magic V5 is 8.8 mm when folded, and Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7? That's listed at 8.9 mm. Boom! On paper, Honor wins. But hold up, that's not the full story. And once you hear what I'm about to say, you'll never look at foldable phone marketing the same way again. Here's the truth. Honor measured their phone from its slimmest possible edge, the opening side. But when they measured Samsung's Fold 7, they picked the hinge side, the thickest part. That's like taking a selfie with a beauty filter on and calling it no makeup. Come on, we're smarter than that. You see where this is going, right? Thankfully, someone called them out. Tech legend at Universe Ice ran an actual side-by-side comparison. Real phones, real tools. No filters. No tricks. Just a clean measurement test using a card to gauge the thickness. And guess what? Honor Magic V5 comes in at 8.95 mm. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7? Just 8.79 mm. Yeah, you heard that right. The Fold 7 is actually thinner. Let that sink in for a second. All this noise about the world's thinnest foldable? It's pure marketing spin, manipulating numbers to win headlines. And frankly, it's disappointing. But Samsung? They didn't even advertise the Z Fold 7 as the thinnest. They just built the best device and let it speak for itself. That's class. Now let's get real. If a brand is twisting numbers just to sell you thinness, what else might they be exaggerating? Let's talk cameras. The Magic V5? Decent, sure. But Samsung's Fold 7? It's rocking a refined triple lens setup with some of the smartest image processing in the game. Your photos? They'll look better. Not just on paper, but in real life. And battery? Here's where Honor flashes bigger specs again. But don't let that fool you either. Because Samsung's Fold 7 running on One UI is tuned to perfection. It sips power. It manages apps smarter. And in real-world tests, it just lasts longer. Period. So let me ask you, are you going to fall for fancy numbers and billboard buzzwords? Or are you going to go with the foldable that actually delivers? And here's the kicker. Samsung isn't just winning in design and software. They're offering up to $1,100 in pre-order bonuses on Samsung.com right now. That's legit. That's value. That's what you deserve. While Honor's out here flexing over 0.1 mm, Samsung's giving you real upgrades, real power, and real confidence in what you're buying. You see the difference now? One brand is playing games, the other is playing to win. So now it's your turn. Drop a comment. Who do you trust more after this? Are you Team Truth with the Fold 7? Or still riding the marketing wave with the Magic V5? Smash that like button if you're tired of being tricked by flashy claims. Subscribe if you want raw, real tech breakdowns, the kind that exposes the hype and gives you the facts. And remember, phones don't need to be the thinnest. They need to be the smartest. See you in the next one.